Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my baby with me, Yuli from Luxury Faces. Well, back when I was a little slimmer, they used to say we look alike. Like a lot of people used to take, we probably still do, but my face is still round, you know what I mean? So a lot of people used to take me for her and her for me, you know?
I know I used to do that though, still, but...
Right? But I mean, I guess. So today we're gonna be seeing just how much alike we look.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And I can't see none of you blind.
Oh, these the real prescription.
Oh, but I could see.
You can see?
I could see good.
Now I can't see.
I could see good. Girl, we look alike for real. I gotta wait till we do this. Do we look alike video? Okay, we'll stop this now. So we're gonna be doing our makeup bit by bit. Well, she's gonna be doing our makeup bit by bit to see what part of us looks the most alike, like what similarities we have. Okay. Featuring Rise Puff. Okay.
My baby loves me.
Let's get into the video.
We have moles too. Well,
Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah, mine right under my eyes. Our skin complexion. Let me see a little dimple. Alright, y'all, so this is smile. Oh. This is the last touches. And keep in mind, she did my makeup the way that she does her makeup, not her client's makeup. Not how she did my makeup before, the way she did her makeup. So what we noticed is that my brows are thinner, but they basically have the same arch. Like this one will curve and this one will arch. Hers is more defined, but thicker. Our eyes, similar. We got moles in the same places, but y'all can't see it under the makeup.
We got in the same places?
Same place, like same area,
like
but you have, yeah, you have more. We wear the same tone and the foundation. Yeah, we're going out soon. Full lips, but mine shape different.
Hers bigger than mine.
Yeah. My face, like we established from the beginning, fatter. My cheeks, fatter. And my nose wider. So there are small similarities, but I guess they stand out. Oh my Lord, look at that nose. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. What are we doing? I see. Okay.
Yes, baby. Yes, right? Coming right now.
Auntie Yuli.
Yes, we coming right now. Like we got this child all confused. It's like.
We are at the end. Look at right. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below if you see some similarities, if you don't see any at all. If you like this video,
You better like this video.
give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. Say subscribe and share. Bye
Give
guys.
it a thumbs up.
So mommy, thumbs up. All right. Say bye guys. Bye. Hey guys. Alright, let's stop for Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, alright, hurry up. Let me sit up. Okay, you ready?
No.
Do that.
Hey guys.